Turkey's hypersonic missiles, a game changer for national security. Welcome to our video on Turkey's efforts to develop its own supersonic and hypersonic missiles. As nations around the world race to develop this cutting-edge technology, Turkey is also making significant strides in this field. In this video, we will take a closer look at the various projects that Turkey is currently working on. We will also explore the importance of hypersonic missiles, the challenges they pose, and how Turkey is positioning itself to stay ahead in this field. Turkish defense industry plans to produce its own national supersonic and hypersonic missiles, according to a senior official. The country is currently working on the Ramjet project, which aims to reveal a working engine this year, and the Scramjet project, which is in the conceptual stage and supported by doctoral studies. Turkey is also investing in a trisonic wind tunnel, called the Tubataksage Trisonic Tunnel, TSTT, which will allow for tests at subsonic, supersonic, and transonic speeds. The goal is to begin testing in 2023 and to begin operating as an official and commercial test in 2024, with a focus on hypersonic missiles. Hypersonic missiles are missiles that can travel at speeds of Mach 5 or higher. They are currently being developed by several countries. Because of their high speed, hypersonic missiles are difficult to intercept by existing air or missile defense systems, which makes them a significant concern for nation security. As a result, countries are investing in the development and study of hypersonic missiles, particularly those that can carry nuclear and conventional warheads. No escape zone. Turkey already developed the Turkish Gökhan BVRAAM, Beyond Visual Range Air-to-Air Missile, which will use a ramjet engine, which may or may not cruise at supersonic speed depending on the thrust-to-weight ratio. While the ramjet engine does not guarantee supersonic speed, it is known to reach speeds of up to 4 Mach. The advantage of the ramjet engine is that it provides the same thrust until the very last moment, allowing the missile to reach its target with stability and reliability, even over long distances. The Gökhan BVRAAM missile is expected to be supersonic, with an operational range of up to 100 kilometers and a no-escape zone of around 60 kilometers. Turkey has developed missiles such as SOM and Atmiko, which cruise at high subsonic speeds, high subsonic. However, at this moment, Turkey does not have air/surface-to-surface missiles that can travel at supersonic, Mach 1, or hypersonic, Mach 5, speeds. It is expected that Turkey will develop and put such missile systems into service in the near future. Supersonic and hypersonic missiles are considered critical because they give little reaction time to the target. Hypersonic missiles, in particular, are seen as a new trend in missile technology and are believed to be difficult to intercept by existing air defense systems. A game changer for national security. The Turkish intelligence, MIT, has identified the proliferation of hypersonic missiles as a significant threat in its 2021 annual report. According to the report, new threat areas are emerging as technology evolves and changes. Along with hypersonic missile tests, the report cites the development of cyber technology, competition in space, cyber attacks, and new risks from virtual reality and far-right movements as emerging threats. The MIT report highlights the importance of staying vigilant and aware of these emerging threats in order to protect Turkish national security. Overall, Turkey's pursuit of supersonic and hypersonic missiles is a reflection of the country's commitment to enhancing its defense capabilities. With a number of projects already underway, and a focus on hypersonic missiles, Turkey is positioning itself to be at the forefront of this rapidly advancing field. As we have seen, these missiles not only provide a strategic advantage, but also pose a significant threat to countries that don't have these capabilities yet. As the world continues to evolve and new threats emerge, it is vital that Turkey remains vigilant and continues to invest in its defense capabilities. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on Turkey's defense industry.